Let's go back a bit, Dr. Kaufman. Talk to me about getting into the geriatric dentistry.
How did I get into geriatric dentistry? Well, I hate to admit this, but I was the dental nerd in dental school, and I loved making dentures. And that's kind of crazy because when my classmates were doing their thing, they were learning how to do veneers and whitening, and here I was working on dentures, which is like the booby prize, right? But I hung out in the dental lab, which was very untraditional, even back in the 80s. And there was two guys in there, Pete Now, and they were like 100 years old when I was in dental school. And back then in the 80s, you could do anything you want. So they would sit there and chain smoke and teach me all about dentures. And I remember them saying, you know what, Elisa, you have a skill that not everybody has, and you must not give it up when you open your own practice. And when I moved to New York, I always advertised that I was good at doing dentures, and one thing led to another. And eventually I sold my practice to make house calls only. And now I'm making dentures in the home, and I just love it, love it, love it. I wish I could do a denture a day.